Alright, so welcome back to the channel. My name is Hannah and this is That Creative Space where we talk about everything that has to do with being creative, whether that be writing a book or starting a business or being an illustrator. All those things are things that I'm doing, but if there's anything else underneath that realm, feel free to follow along. I'm just going to talk about a life of being creative and following those passions and those things that are sparking joy for yourself. So, but yeah, this specific video, I'm going to be talking, so for this specific video, it has been a while since I posted. And we've got quite a few people that have already are used it, that downloaded it or duplicated it, and quite a few people looking at it. And from the past video, I had quite a few comments asking for that. So I'm super excited that it is finally live. So let's actually jump into, let's actually go back into Miro and I'll show you around it. The Miro board. So this template is, you're going to go onto Miro, you can duplicate it and kind of make it your own. So what I'm gonna talk over is gonna be a condensed version. If you want the full version, you can go ahead. I'm gonna link the video here where I'm gonna go into it a little bit more in depth. But the Miro template itself is set up based off of some of the Miro template itself is based off of the Save the Cat structure, and it's broken up into 3 different acts, and then within each act there's kind of a pacing process to it. So there's going to be cards, some character cards as well. So go ahead and once you're in there, feel free to play around, but you've got grouping of characters in here. Go ahead and knowing how a character is going to show up, what they're saying, that type of stuff, the meaning behind some of it. And then once you get action, you have a title of what I guess this portion of that pacing should be, and then how it's kind of broken up into the acts. Within each one, I'm going to be labeling what's happening in here. I've also added in the timing, so if it happens within a particular month, if your whole book is within a year, if it happens, whatever that looks like, try and fill that in. It kind of gives a little bit help, a little bit more of context around the pacing for yourself. And then within each section, go ahead and add images if that's helpful for you. And then there's descriptions of what each section is supposed to have. You'll see some stickies underneath. That's kind of just showing like a little bit of how I go in and just like plot some ideas, and then I move them out of the way into my note section. And then each table is set up so you can put bullet points of what's happening in those chapters, the characters that are introduced here, and then potentially meaning behind it. Link to the video where I go more in depth into some of the resources and then a little bit more on the background of this. But feel free to utilize this now and let me know what you think down below. And with that, we are going to I'm going to jump into it myself and continue outlining. So thanks again for watching, and if you have any suggestions, any resources that you're looking to have or whatnot, just let me know and maybe I can create something. So thank you.